How to check when someone was last online on Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Chrome browser on your device and on the search bar, search for roblox.com. So you can see the official website, tap on it and make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, what you can see is tap on the magnifying glass or the search bar over here at the top of the screen, and on the search bar you can search for last online. As you do that, tap on search and then here you can see different options over here. So you have to tap on the very first option under the check a user's last online information. So tap on it, and as you tap on it, it will land you to the application of Roblox on your device if you have already installed it. So if not, then it will just continue your process in the browser as well. After that, what you can simply do is tap on the check online status or the last online option. So you just have to wait, and then here you can see the play button. So tap on the play button over here. As you tap on the play button, it will land you to a new user interface altogether. So just make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection to continue the process forward. And as you do that, you can just wait, and then here it will give you the option that if you want to stay in the multiplayer version or teleport. So you can select any of this option. I'm going to select on teleport. You can select any of this option. It doesn't really matter on which option you choose for this one. After selecting on this option over here, it will land you to a new page over here where you can see you can just enter the username over here. So tap on the username option over here and you can select and search for any username or any friend that you want to check the last online for. So tap on the username and tap on enter, and as you enter you'll be able to see the username, the user ID, the join date, and when were the last online. So you can see it is offline due to Roblox's removal of the current last online information feature. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.